Alright, we're going to do imaging of the shoulder. We're going to do the AP projection. You're going to have your a 48 SID. Patient will be standing. You'll be using a 10 by 12 cassette, and you'll have the cassette going in crosswise. Central ray will be 1 inch below the coracoid, and we will do 3 arm rotations for this. So for the first one, we'll do the external rotation, which the hand is in supination. The second projection we'll do is a neutral, where the hand is just placed down at the side right against the leg. And then the third projection is the internal rotation of the arm, where the back of the hand is up against the leg. So this is our 3 different AP projections for the shoulder. Alright, next is the AP projection for the clavicle. So with the clavicle, you want to be centered right at the level of the clavicle. So I'm just going to move our central ray up just a little bit higher. Whenever you move your central ray, you want to adjust your bucky accordingly. And then you want to have the central ray at mid-clavicle. So I'm just going to move David just slightly to the side. You want to be sure you include the 2 ends of the extremities of the clavicle as well. So with this projection, I can collimate from top to bottom, because we do not need very much of the chest in. We just need this clavicular area. Okay, so that is our AP clavicle. Now for our next projection, we're going to use the lordotic position, which will make it the AP axial of the clavicle. So you have your patient step away from the board, 1 good step, and then have them lean back so that the shoulder area is the only area touching against the IR. Now, I'm going to have David lean forward just a little bit, because I do have to make a slight adjustment to this. Okay, now lean back. And I'm also going to add a 15-degree cephalic angle to this. And this will help ensure having the clavicle up above, projected up above the apices of the chest. Because when you do the lordotic, the AP axial clavicle, you want the clavicle on the resultant image to project higher than the ribs and the very top of the lungs. So that is our AP axial clavicle with the patient in the lordotic position.